Nice! Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video I will demonstrate how to create an anime effect on your photos using CapCut. All you need is a picture of yourself or someone else. Open the CapCut app. Oh, by the way, I haven't mentioned yet, but this app is free and you also don't need to log in, so anyone can apply this effect to their photos. Start a new project and import the photos. I'll be using these 4 pictures to illustrate the difference between the photos that I'm going to create. Choose the order you like the best and make sure that if you add many different photos, always remove the last slide, because CapCut automatically adds a promotion to your video which you don't want. The dimensions I'm using are 1920 x 2888. Ensure that all photos are zoomed in, and by this I mean that you shouldn't have black borders. When you upload photos to CapCut, they automatically default to 3 seconds long. I will make the slides shorter for this video, but I'm doing this to show you the difference quickly, so you should choose for yourself a length that suits you. Okay, next. I duplicate all the photos one by one by selecting the slide and clicking on duplicate. You see now 8 photos and they are all 1 second long. I choose to apply the anime effect to the second slide, so I select this slide and then look for style. That is this button, and then you press AI painting, where you can choose a lot of cool effects. I choose the first, the JP anime effect for this photo, and as you can see the photo changes. Now I go back to the second photo but the 4th slide, and here I choose the dreamy anime effect. As you can see the entire photo changed also, but it is a different effect from the first anime effect that I chose. I do the same for photo 3 and this is the 6th slide, and as you can see it also changed and becomes even more cuter because of the cat. By the way, this effect is also called cat. And then I apply this effect to the last photo, which is the 8th slide, and I select the style again, then I choose AI painting and then Muscle Man. And it's a funny effect, but I have to say that I don't like this effect on this picture. And that's how the video turns out. Which effect do you like the most that I applied? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope this helped you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.